What is up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm gonna do another full day on the Volkswagen today. Yesterday I did some patch panel work. I did a lot of welding into that one corner that was all rusted out. It's looking pretty good now. I got the outside skin on. I already showed you guys that in the last video. But today I'm back at it. I'm gonna try to do another, good full day, 8-9 hours on this. Hopefully without too many distractions that I can get a bunch of work done. I'm gonna start with the floor pan that I gotta weld in where the battery tray goes. My welder is running low on gas and welding wire. So I'm gonna try to weld up as much as I can. I might have enough, I might not. I'm not sure yet, but it is the weekend. So if I do run out of gas, I won't be able to get any more right now. So that'll have to get put off. But if I can get most of that done, it'll be a really good thing. If not, I'm just gonna go right onto the body and start doing some body work, sanding it down, which hopefully I'm gonna get to that anyways today. So either way, there's plenty of work. Obviously, if you guys have seen my other videos, there's a lot of work to be done. So no matter what, I'll always have something. Just like last time, this all looks the same. This whole side, I gotta figure out, grind that down and see what that looks like. The rest of this side is pretty good. I did forget I have to weld up something right here. Somebody has already done some work. It's obviously been in a big accident on this side, and it looks like this nose piece has been replaced before. I'm not gonna cut it off and redo anything. So there are a couple nuts missing for the fender, so I'm gonna have to do something with that. I'm not sure if I'll do that today or I'll worry about that another day and just work on the bodywork. So I can't forget about that. But other than the floor pan right here, like I said, I still have to touch up some stuff right there, but this whole outside is on. Other than the floor pan and that little spot up front, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do any more welding, and then I can just get down to the body work, which is obviously a lot easier and faster. This car has been painted a couple times and there is filler in some spots. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to block it, sand it, fill in some other dents, and then I'm going to repaint it. We're sticking with red. I think I've already said that in another video, so it shouldn't be a big deal to just go right on top. I found some body filler right here, and there was some holes right there, and I ground out some rust. But this is just going to be a driver, so I'm just going to get it done and do it as best as I can without cutting every single piece off and redoing it all. So like I said, I'm going to start on the floor pan, welding that up, and we'll see how far we get with my welding gas before I run out. I might have enough, and that'll be awesome. So I'm gonna get to it.